Hey folks, 99 here. Good Monday to you. And as promised, we're outside with the bus again. And as you can see, we've had some Volkswagen bus nose surgery going on. And I promised that I would come back and show some updates on this. And it'll probably be in multiple videos because I'm not all the best with the editing and everything. So I'll just give you what I have here. Just cut off the lower 8-inch section, and that's the replacement panel down there at the bottom, just sitting on the ground, and that will be welded here in place. And so what I've been doing was, after I cut out the lower 8 inches, I was inspecting inside, and if I take a hammer here and just kind of test out, it looks like a bunch of surface rust. Not really bad at all. So I'm gonna take a wire brush, wire wheel, and get a lot of that off before I go ahead and treat it with some POR 15 rust preventative permanent coating. And I've used it before on the floor on the inside. So this is just some preventative maintenance I'm gonna do on that section in there, just to make sure that any future moisture that gets in there, that it'll be protected from that area for from rust, from future rust, I should say, future rust. Tongue tied. I've been out here with the angle grinder and the tools. So that's pretty much all I have right now that I got done. But I just got to do a little bit more cleaning up here along the edges. There's some parts of that I have to grab and yank off of there, and then come down here along the bottom and clean those edges up. And I might have to take the grinder and grind up about a 16th, maybe a 32nd of an inch on that panel there, but I don't want to get too close to the bottom of the bucket. So I might, if I have to, I'll go down on the top of the weld-in nose panel just to make sure that it clears. So I traced it out before cutting it out. So that's where I got my dimensions from, but and it's kind of there, but it just needs a little bit of adjustments and to make the fitment perfect, and then I'll get started on the rest of the body work. So just a little update on that, folks, and I will get back with future videos and keep you up to date on that. Thanks for watching. Later.